Orange County, where the state attorney general and local state attorney are going at each other again.
State Attorney Monique Worrell is responding to a letter and social media video from AG James Uthmeier that criticizes what he calls sweetheart deals for violent offenders.
WESH 2's Justin Shecker is joining us live in Orlando, where Worrell just wrapped up a news conference minutes ago. Justin.
Yeah, this is the latest war of words between Florida's Attorney General and State Attorney Monique Worrell. During her news conference here, she emphasized that while her prosecutors do engage in plea negotiations, that judges in the court are responsible for sentencing. AG Uthmeier criticized that now 18-year-old Yaxiel LeBron Flores will serve less than 6 years in prison. He could have been sentenced up to 15 years. He was 15 at the time when troopers say he ran a red light in a stolen SUV and killed 23-year-old Christian Romero while he was driving home from work. Romero's family also told WESH 2 they did not approve of that sentence either. AG Uthmeier also blasted the 4-year sentence for Marcus Anderson. He was 18 at the time of a 2024 deadly shooting in Orange County. Prosecutors downgraded his most serious charge to second-degree murder, but Worrell says the AG left out that stand your ground was a potential defense had this case gone to trial. Here's some of the AG's message for State Attorney Worrell.
Monique Worrell's misjudgments are far too numerous, and her conduct is not beyond oversight by the state or the public. State Attorney Worrell's obvious pattern or practice of leniency on violent and deadly criminals must end.
And State Attorney Worrell says she is focused on working with community partners to find real solutions to public safety challenges and how to address the rise in violent crimes by juveniles.
It's unfortunate that what we're getting from Tallahassee is not seriousness. It's social media talking points. It's not any solutions to any of the real problems that exist, but rather it's political banter. And I'm here to do the work.
And State Attorney Worrell called her news conference before she went upstairs here at the FAMU Law School for her 4th Missing Middle Youth Justice Initiative Town Hall. Right now, she's meeting with community members, school officials, and law enforcement on how to address the root causes of youth violence. Covering Orange County Live in Orlando, I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.